So, me and Georgyboi staying late and doing some modifications to the little quad bike. So far, we've done steering mods, where we put the little plate there to move the pivot point out. We get more travel on the steering arm, and then we've notched all of the hubs and the steering arms, so now we've got sick lock. Also, we're going for the drift rings on the back tyres, so we should be going sideways. Proper Ken Blooooke.
Ken Blooooke.
What are you going to? It's got to be at least 100 psi in that.
Yeah, she's brand new. She'll go. That's not going nowhere.
Cool.
30. We'll go 40.
I don't trust those inner tubes in that. Let her rip. Oh, no. Put it out and see if it will return back in. It was doing it earlier.
No.
Oh, game over. Really? You ain't getting this done tonight, mate. I'll have to pull it off.
Mad Mac do what he like.
I ain't getting this off. Need to impact them. They're torqued up, maximum torques. You reckon it's just going to rip back in?
I reckon so.
Yeah, let me tighten these up. King Kong.
She's a gem.
Game on. Right, back down. Yeah, definitely something's not happy with the torso. It's good. We've got fuel in. Sounds like fun actually.
Here's some I made earlier.
Come on, you old girl.
Rev it, Phil.
Yeah, we're gonna hurt ourselves. Alright, see if we did one lap. Have a go. I think that one's already started to fly off. Maybe go the other way round. The extra lock's not helping that much.
two-stroke mix.
Pressure's on.
Yeah, I don't know, the lock does help, it's better than it was.
It's really sensitive.
I think it's better with one hoop on though. I think
so.
2 hoops is a bit
The
too...
leading wheel.
She's full D1 spec now. See if it'll start. On the button.
Screw!
Too soon, Junior. Alright, one's off, one's off. One's off already, mate. Let's go. Still say the best 100 quid I've ever spent. That's got to be done. I think you'd be falling off it first. Nutter. So there you go, 100 quid quad, a couple of bits of metal, get the angle grinder out, cut a couple of bits out of these steering arms, and 2 little plastic tubes, and you got yourself a drift spec death trap quad bike. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch up with you next time. Take it easy.